Oh man. Look, this is an update of yesterday or 2 days ago's video, man. So right now, Apple earnings came out, Meta earnings came out, and Amazon. And just like we all figured, man, Apple was gonna have the terrible numbers, man. But first let's talk about Meta, man. Meta, for the first time, it's ever gonna do a dividend for 50 cents quarterly, man. Quarterly, man. And people were, oh my god, man. I'm so mad that I did not freaking buy Meta at all. Look at this, bro. Almost 14. No, it's at 14%. Almost at the all-time highs, man. Meta is going stupid, bro. And Amazon, of course, man. Amazon is also a good stock. And I kind of figured Apple was gonna, do pretty bad. That's why right now I got a put for Apple, and hopefully this pays me good numbers, man. Like like good profits. I bought it at 186, and now right now Apple is at. Let me check where Apple is at. Actually, it's at 180, exactly, almost 179 now. So Apple is dropping pretty fast, man. So hopefully tomorrow when I wake up at 8:30 Central Time, it opens up to good freaking profits, man. And then update on Aflac, man. So the earnings came out for Aflac, and then there's nothing else to speak about, man. I man, Aflac, man, their freaking numbers were so bad, bro, so bad. They dropped. I think revenue they said was 40 or 30%, somewhere around there. I'm not really sure, man. Like I was just too busy with work, man. But I'm still a long time holder of Aflac because recently their dividend grew to 50 cents coming up. So that's pretty good. And then I'm a long term bull on Palantir, just like I said. So hopefully with this big earnings like tech companies, like I can see Palantir at least close to the 17s because I recently bought another uh a call actually right here. I bought a second call just to make up for the loss of the first call. So these both expire on the 9th of February. I feel like Palantir could actually hit $20 if the earnings are really good. And if I'm being honest, man, I have faith in Alex Karp, man. I have so much faith on Karp. I think he might be one of my favorite CEOs. You know what I mean? Close to Elon, but Elon, I'm not sure about Elon, man. Elon, I mean, I like Elon. I like Elon a lot, but lately, man, he's been kind of scaring me by leaving Tesla, and that right there, bro. Those rumors, they brought down Tesla a lot to 184 once again. Basically back to what the earning calls were, because there was rumors that Elon was actually gonna leave Tesla because of the judge not paying him the money. So let's see what happens from there in the long term, man. But man, Meta, it's crazy, man. People were talking so much crap about Meta, saying that the metaverse is not, this and that. And now look at it right now, man. Meta might be, I don't know, like I don't want to jinx Meta, but Meta might be number one sooner or later, man. If this keeps up, man, Meta is gonna be number one. It's right behind Nvidia, and I'm not sure how much capital this 40% is, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be close to Nvidia, man. Cause, oh my god, ooh wee, man, Meta right here is crazy. But look, bro, once again, man, Apple, I'm not really surprised. Like out of all the big tech companies, my least favorite is Apple. I have so much history with Apple, man. Apple just, I don't personally like Apple. I mean, yes, it beat the revenue, it beat the EPS, but the sales of like everything in general and the China sales, they were pretty bad. So that's why Apple is basically going under because of the sales in China, sales of iPad. Just like basically, if it doesn't beat the expectations, Wall Street is gonna basically punish that stock. Because Wall Street is like, I'm gonna be honest, man. Wall Street is kind of greedy, bro. Wall Street is really greedy, and Like there's times where big tech companies beat in revenue, beat in EPS, and this was back then in Tesla where it had like almost $200 in call options, and the Tesla stock dropped because of the profit margin. It was below of last year's percentage. And then me personally, I was like, everything was good. It beat every percentage, every number that you can think of. But it just, if Wall Street finds that one flaw in those numbers, bro, the stock is gonna sink, and that's what happened with Apple, man. That's basically what Wall Street is, man. If they find a flaw in those numbers and don't like those numbers, they're gonna dump that freaking stock, and hopefully, man, Apple goes more below. I'll say it. Hopefully, it hits 175, man, because so far, I kind of wanna, buy Meta now, man. Actually, bro, like 50 cents per quarterly is pretty good, man. But next thing, guys, Palantir is actually coming up, bro. I'm so excited for Palantir, man. Like I'm a long bull for many reasons, man. Palantir has good revenue, has no debt, has more cash in the positive cash flow. It was in the negatives cash flow actually, and now it's in the positives cash flow. Good net income, and it's just, bro. It's I don't know why people diss this company. Like I get it almost went to bankrupt, but at the same time, man, I feel like this right here could be the next AI. And then if the earnings are good, man, the S&P inclusion is gonna probably hit this stock to the 22s, 23s, man. And if it does, I'm gonna be so happy, man. This, bro, like I cannot wait, man. I've been waiting for this stock. Well, I bought Palantir at $14 and I sold it at $20. So I made a couple profits from Palantir, and then once it dropped to the 14 to 15, that's when I bought more, and that's where it's been. It's been sideways lately, just going to 15, 16, 17, and then once it hit 17, go back down 16, 16, go back down 15. So I feel like it just needs that little push, man, for Palantir to just go straight to the moon, man. And like a lot of people really diss Palantir, but me personally, man, I like Palantir, and I'm a long bull on it. So, man, if you have any questions about my portfolio, man, just comment down below, man. But so far, guys, I'm pretty positive on it, man. If I didn't trade any options at all, my portfolio would have been up 3%. I have a paper account to keep track of my stock portfolio on, let me check. It is actually going to be called on Delta. So I always keep track of my stock portfolio, and like I trade options here and there because I think I'm a day trader, but like day trading, like me, man, my day trading is over, man. But look, man, if you have any questions about my stock portfolio, man, my dividend stock portfolio, just let me know, guys. But I'm out, man. Peace.